mean, so the Indian young youth, the 18, 20-year-old users, if you talk to them and you understand what they're looking for, substantive relationships, and they're no longer scared of, internet or like meeting a stranger than they used to be, right? So there is a huge mindset shift that has happened in India in the last 15 years, and part of it has been driven by just socio-cultural changes, but part of it is also just access, right? So there is technology empowers users, particularly women, particularly people who are introverts or who don't reach out to people who not, or other groups in the society. And especially in India, if you look at women and how much it's hard to make new friends. So as adoption increases, quality, first, so basically I'll tell you what the real power of Tinder is, right? As I was talking, the app is a reflection of the real world, right? But just because there was one out of 100 guys was like creepy or said something that you did not want, you're scared of talking to the other 99. It's actually the nice guys, well-intentioned people, who suffer from it, and it's very hard for them to break the mold. I think what Tinder does is gives you the power. Yes, you will sometimes might have a conversation that you may not like, and not just because of they're trolling you, but because you don't connect, because they said they're offensive to you in some way. We all have that in real life, right? We don't get along with every single person we meet, right? And it's as simple as opting out on Tinder, and that person cannot stalk you. He doesn't know where you live, he can't come back to you, he can't call you, etc. You are in control of a conversation. But what it does, therefore, is by giving you the power to eliminate these 1% conversations, it allows you to discover 99% conversations with like-minded people on whatever you're looking at, right? To have very interesting, meaningful, substantive relationships, which would not have been possible because in India we are very scared to walk up to a stranger and talk to them. The fear of getting rejected is huge. Look, I don't want to talk about competition, and honestly, I don't worry about competition. The reason for that is, look at the size and the scale. It's a market that's nascent. It's growing. It's not a market share game. It's a game of educating people and letting them come online to you, right? So I don't worry. You just have to estimate the number of internet users in India coming online in the next 5 years, especially in the youth, the singles, the young people who want to experiment for the first time. Just have to look at that number, and that will boggle your mind.